Let's learn how to find the restaurants offering outdoor seating on OpenTable. First, let's go on OpenTable app. When you do that, look at in the bottom of the screen and you can see a little magnifying icon and you need to click on it. When you come on this page, you can see a restaurant is closest to you, but if you want to search for a specific location, go on search bar, then click on current location and enter location you want. I will enter New York City and then click on search button in top right corner of the screen. The next step is that to click on a filter button in top left corner of the screen. That will open to you a side page where you need to scroll to the bottom of the page and you can see an option called seating option and just click on it to expand it. Now you can see a seating option that OpenTable's offering to you and you need just to select outdoor and click on apply red button in the bottom of the screen. And that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.